It's painting time. So, why is this part? What does this have to do with the process? Well, you're clean, you've been restored, God has done something wonderful in your life, and now He's gonna make it better. Now, I could put something clear on it and keep it in its natural color, which would be nice, but I wanna put this color on. And this is where I think a lot of us get stumped in the process of restoration. Everyone wants to be saved, but no one wants to go through the change that it involves because they're scared that, yes, God has helped me through this, or God can help me through this, but then He's going to change me and make me do things I don't want to do, and it's going to be weird. And no, God's not going to go through all of this process to end up with something that you're not going to love, that you're not going to be wholeheartedly in for. And so you have to let go of what you think will be what you want and really submit to what you need. Okay? So, child cap off. Let's see how that starts looking. Now, like I said, I'm not a professional. You're supposed to be wearing a mask and some goggles. So I'm going to leave now and get some mask and some goggles, but you can get an idea of how it's going to look. See you soon.